Hey guys, welcome back to the Sunol's channel, and here we are on another trip to explore to a beautiful place in India. So stay tuned for the twist that's going to happen because we're not going to travel alone. So let's go to the first destination to catch up with someone as we have another trip, another twist.
Hi guys, and as we said, there's a surprise. We've reached to one of the location, and it's none other than we are not traveling alone. We're traveling with Samantha the Great.
Hello everyone.
Okay, she's ready. I'm not ready, but I don't care. I look much more prettier than her. And it's not only her, but it is with the entire family. So that's mother, that's my mother, that's my father, and that's my godmother. And we have another biker with us, Alistair the Great. Hello, Alistair. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to have an amazing holidays. It's going to be a family trip. So see you soon and enjoy.
So what's up guys, now we are reaching the Gujarat border. We'll be entering Gujarat now. And now she'll be updating you on everything.
We are now crossing the border. हमारा एक पैर है महाराष्ट्र में और एक पैर गुजरात में. Let's go zigzag, zigzag. Here the checking is going on, and we've crossed the border. Woohoo! Another state to explore. And that's मेरा भाई Alistair Rosario. And we have scammed these people, guys. You can see they are in AC. धूप में ये इन लोग है धूप में. ये मेरा बाप है बाप. ये मेरी माँ है माँ पागल बहन जो लूडो खेल रही है अकेले अकेले. ओके बाय, सी यू, बाय.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it in drive. With the radio up so loud.
Hi guys, and now we've reached nothing but Daman, and that's the stay that we're going to stay in. So follow us and see our place.
Okay, so we are going to entry from here. It's actually my first time, okay? First time I have done before, but I did it
Let's go.
from here. ये सब सामान लेके हम
Guys, we have reached here. And then
The mic's with me, bro.
whatsoever the room is on first floor. Yeah, there we are better.
Hurry, wait for us.
is
And here we begin. Let's go.
hello. Follow me. Come in.
This is Arnold Mesquita.
आवाज
This is the living area. Follow me. So we have a wide space for the living area. This is room 1. Come here. Ta-da! With a mirror.
Tonight for our mirror selfie. Oh, I look so pretty.
I look so pretty.
Oh no. There's always a fight amongst both of us that Anuti is the prettiest. See me without makeup also, I look so pretty.
This is the extra space.
Oh, this is the extra space.
This is room
Then
number 2.
we move to room number 2, and that's Alistair who's trying to tamper around with the AC.
I'm trying to figure out how to start it.
He's just figuring out. Okay.
Come in. Here we have some space.
That's Aloysius,
Big
the
space
tallest
for-
boy. And this is the kitchen area. Ta-da!
And we have balcony also.
Oh, this is the balcony and that's the view. Oh my god. It's so breezy and airy even after being it on a hot sunny day. It's a room, and stay tuned. We're now gonna be soon showing you the beautiful Daman very soon.
Bye-bye. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, now we are on our way to explore Daman. So here we go. And here we've reached to the fort, and this is the main entrance. From the main entrance we go, and here we come to the beauty. To the beauty, that's the Portuguese colony. Look at the colorful houses. People have all their pre-wedding shoots. And here we park. Thank you भैया. देखिए यहाँ भैया. Hello. Now let's explore this place.
Guys, now this is the Portuguese village, colony village where all Portuguese used to stay. This is no Portuguese, this is Indian. And this is me. I know I'm looking handsome like always.
No way.
That's me. That's Samantha. So this is the Portuguese church. Can't show you.
And this is the entire Portuguese colony road. There are people still living in these houses, and that's the beauty. They're still building on something new. That's the crucifix. And we exit from this colony. It's basically like an entire built-in fort. Inside the fort, the entire colony is, and people do stay even now inside, but they let the tourists click pictures. And now we exit from the Portuguese colony. We're moving out. Such a beautiful place. It's almost going to be a sunset evening. The view and the vibes are way different. It's the dockyard. That's the lighthouse. Oh, look at that. What's that called? Jet ski? This is the lighthouse. They don't allow people to go up, obviously, for security reasons. Whoa. And we have come for an evening sunset. You can see, as always, Pet Puja first. It's our family problem. Wherever we see some food, we first hop in. And you can see they are having everything. Anda bao.
Kama has finished eating. This girl, she and her aesthetic clicks. Hello, Father India. Where did? And this auntie has prepared delicious food. Yum yum. There he's gone towards his bike. He's going now to remove a nice sunset view. Definitely. As far as I know him, he's going to do something like that only. And this is the evening view of the beautiful fort. That's the lighthouse, and this is how the entire view goes. So mesmerizing. At times vacations are much needed, basically, away from the struggles, away from everything, and some views cannot be captured in the camera. It was a fun day, a family day. There's yet more to explore. We're now going to the night market also, and to do the adventure that we love doing. Look at the entire fort view. Yes, wow. How did kings and queens stay like this? I don't know. If you knew and you feel that, was the history of these people so beautiful? How did they stay? Comment below. What if we go back to the era and look at this, the waterfall? These were basically the protective layers. Just, I don't know if it was earlier or just now man-made. But look at the entire view and the water. Look at this. Whoa. And that's the entry point where we had gone for that Portuguese colony. It's all inside. Imagine inside now how beautiful that must be looking, and how people still stay there. Some places in India are really beautiful. I mean all. But some are worth visiting. And now we are heading to our next destination. And here we go. We've reached to our next destination. Can you guess it? As you can see, it's nothing but go-karting. And here at go-karting itself, there is an art and craft. Oh, look at this. She's doing it on the back. Oh, the beauty. And this is what we are going to do. Hey. How are you feeling being in Daman?
A slight boring because I've already been 6 months before.
But it's
But it is okay. I am here to drink chilled beer. Drink beer, save water.
seriously. Okay, go ahead and see what's there next. It's the social palette. See, welcome to the art. Why is this camera switching? Hey girl. Oh, you can do something here. It's painting on the canvas. So cute. People are actually doing and painting. That's fun. Look at this teeny mini tiny tot doing the cart bold enough. Look at this. It's a big stretch. The entire stretch of this lane. I really love the way the houses, the architecture, the color combination that is being created here. Hi guys, and now we are entering into the Dubai market.
Whatever you feel like buying in this market, you can buy everything in any.
Oh my god,
The money will be paid by yourself.
how dumb. So you can see this. I feel this looks like a Crawford market only. But yeah, this has good stuffs. Perfumes. These are my tall brothers. No other option, but I have to lift my hand in order to shoot up. Kisses. Perfumes. Oh, nail art. Oh, look at the watch collections. This market is basically famous for watches, and she loved this. Oh, the boss is buying something, I feel.
This, I want this, Arnold, I want this, I want.
इधर आके तो देख क्या चाहिए
Shut the fuck up.
कैमरा दिखो है
There's no age to play with toys.
It's fun exploring, but look at the sweat and look how tired I am. But yeah, what's the fun? And I don't know what are these looking after all the shopkeepers.
मत ले लो ये सब LED लाइट भी लीड है.
देना स्लाइड है
So guys, now we have just done with dinner, going back to our rooms and walking towards the bike. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. We'll be ending it today